Hello everyone, this is Philippe from Paris, Big Daddy Strict channel. Today I'm gonna offer you a great, fantastic pizza, keto diet pizza, very easy to do. You do it within 10-15 minutes. It's so easy, you're gonna see. So you see the pictures, you can do the same with keto diet actually, and it's even better. So follow the sequences. First, you have to prepare your cauliflower. So you have to take a pan and you steam the water. You take out the water from the cauliflower for 10-15 minutes. After that, you put everything in a big bowl of aluminum. It's preferable because it's very hot. And when you do this, after that, you have to put inside 3 eggs. Very easy to do. 3 eggs. You put a lot of salt and pepper inside. You can put also some curry. It's up to you. You decide. And you put a lot of cheese inside too. So the eggs and the cheese are going to make the pasta in itself. With the cauliflower, it's gonna be fantastic. You're gonna see, it's so tasty. And after that, you mix everything. You put your thing on the pan, and you put it in the oven for 10, 15, 20 minutes. That depends. You have to look at it, okay? And after that, you have a real pizza, and you put everything you want on top according to your taste, and it's just fantastic. It's so easy to do, and you have the vegetables inside the pizza. I do like do a dressing, aside with a little salad, just perfect. I take a glass of wine also. It's like a fiesta, because we enjoy life on this channel. Big Daddy Strict channel. This is the channel for everybody, for overweight people, of course. People who want to lose weight with me in the same time. I'm a big coach. But it's open for everybody. And I'm going to take... Now, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do some recipes, each 2 videos or 3 videos. I'm going to offer you keto diet recipes. French one or Italian one, and very easy to do because we love food. And most of the time when you hear the great cook, worldwide, it's the easiest it is, the better it is when you really know, stuff about cooking. So let's go. I'm gonna do that from now on. Something very important also, when you put your stuff, on the pizza, and after that you have to put it again in the oven for 5-8 minutes, and you have to watch it, okay? It doesn't have to be, burned. So watch your pizza 5-8 minutes in the oven, okay? When you prepare it, when you put your stuff on the pizza, and then you enjoy food, okay? So it was Big Daddy Strict channel. Thank you very much for watching. Share my videos, please. Subscribe and like and share my videos. I'm a new channel, so thank you for helping me out. And we are a team together. We are overweight together, and we lose weight together, and we're gonna make it. Thank you. It was Philippe from Paris. Take care, and I see you tomorrow. Thank you.
The next morning, the alarm goes off, and I pretended NASA was there. It's the stupidest story. I literally went 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I counted out loud, and then I stood up. And I'll never forget standing there in my bedroom. It was dark, it was cold, it was winter in Boston. And for the first time in 3 months, I had beaten my habit of hitting the snooze button. There were moments all day long, just like that 5-second moment in bed, where I knew, knowledge, what I should do. And if I didn't move within 5 seconds, my brain would step in and talk me out of it. Every human being has a 5-second window. It might even be shorter for you. You have about a 5-second window in which you can move from idea to action before your brain kicks into full gear and sabotages any change in behavior. There are so many people in the world, and you know, you may be watching this right now, and you have these incredible ideas, and what you think is missing is motivation. And that's not true. Because the way that our minds are wired, and the fact about human beings is that we are not designed to do things that are uncomfortable or scary or difficult. Our brains are designed to protect us from those things because our brains are trying to keep us alive. And in order to change, in order to build a business, in order to be the best parent, the best spouse, to do all those things that you know you want to do with your life, with your work, with your dreams, you're going to have to do things that are difficult, uncertain, or scary, which sets up this problem for all of us. You can always make a decision. That's always in your control. Staying with somebody that treats you like garbage is a decision. It is. Staying at a job that you hate is a decision. Staying in the body that you are not proud of is a decision. Is it going to be easy? No, it's not going to be easy to change. It's simple. It's your job to push yourself.
It's not the smartest people who achieve success. It's the people who procrastinate less, make fewer excuses, as they take actions every day towards the goals that they want to achieve.
Your life comes down to your decisions, and if you change your decisions, you will change everything. When you understand the power of a 5-second decision, and you understand that you always have a choice to go from autopilot to decision maker, everything in your life will change. You will be a different negotiator, you will be different in sales, you will be unstoppable in the gym, because you will realize the amount of garbage that you put in the way of your hopes, of your dreams, of your potential, of your confidence, of your courage. Everything comes down to the decisions that you make.
Take ownership. Take extreme ownership. Don't make excuses. Don't blame any other person or any other thing. Get control of your ego. Take ownership of everything in your world, the good and the bad. Take ownership of your mistakes. Take ownership of your shortfalls. Take ownership of your problems. And then take ownership of the solutions that will get those problems solved. Take ownership of your mission. Take ownership of your job, of your team, of your future, and take ownership of your life.
Discipline is eating the right foods to fuel your system. It's about disciplining your emotions so you can make good decisions. Doing the tasks that you don't necessarily want to do, but that you know will help you.